this video tutorial I am going to make a pipe clamp. I will open a template, my own template. On the front plane I will draw a couple of sketches and give them dimension 13 mm and 6.5 mm. I will draw a line and cut it from here, give it a dimension of 5 mm. I will trim extra portion and extrude it. I will take mid plane, I'll use 10 mm extrusion. Remove appearance. I don't need that appearance. On this face I will draw a circle of 8 mm, 8 mm. Extrude it up to 30 mm. On this edge I will put a 1 mm chamfer like this, and then I will use thread command. I will pick this line and then this circle. I need a metric die. 8.1 is okay. It's 25 mm, or I will make it 20 mm. That's better. Okay, the thread is complete. I will give it a fillet of 2 mm, and our part is complete. Give it a appearance of metal, chrome, polished chrome, and one part is complete. I will draw another part. I'll take my own custom template. On the front plane I will draw one circle of 6.5 mm. This is a pin, extruded up to 50 mm. Remove appearance, chamfer of 0.5. Our pin is ready. Give it an appearance of chrome. The pin is ready. Save. Pin. I will save it on my desktop. New folder. Pipe clamp. And in this pipe clamp I will save this pin. Okay, drop it. I will save this also. This part 1 is okay. The name is part 1 is okay, but I should give it a name. Threaded pin. I'll close this, open a new document, and again I will take my own. I will draw a circle of 50 mm. Convert it into geometry. I will draw circles over here and make it tangent. Give it a dia 13 millimeter, and in this 13 millimeter I will draw one more dia of 6.5 millimeter. I will offset it. I will draw another dia of 63 millimeter. And I will remove this, draw a center line, move it coincident, and I will make tangent to this. I will mirror it, mirror entities. Sorry, I have to change this and tangent to this. I will trim extra, delete it, power trim, exit, and delete this. Yes, now our part is ready to extrude. I will extrude it up to 50 millimeter on mid plane. I'm fed up of this appearance. On the top plane, I will draw a rectangle, center rectangle, give it a dimension of 6.5, 6.35, extrude it, but I will not extrude it from here, but I will offset it, offset from surface, from this surface, reverse. 50 millimeter is okay. Give it chamfer, sorry, fillet of 10 millimeter. I will fillet, full round fillet, this face and this face. I will draw a circle over here. First I will draw a center line and give it a dimension of 25 millimeter, and then I will draw a circle over here of 12.5. Cut extrude through all. On the front plane, I will draw a rectangle, center rectangle, I will give it a dimension of 13 millimeter, and this anything but 20 is okay. I will cut mid plane 10 millimeter. On the front plane, again I will draw center rectangle 13 millimeter and 20 millimeter. I will cut extrude, but this time I will mid plane 20 millimeter. Now it's time for chamfering. Of 1 millimeter. One millimeter is too big. I will make it 0.5. That's better. I'll give it chamfer here, a fillet here of 3 millimeter. Give it chrome and matte chrome, and this part is complete. Save it. Pipe clamp lower part. Save. There are few more parts to be made. I'll take this, and first I will remove the appearance. On the top plane, I will draw a circle of 16 millimeter, extrude it up to 10 millimeter, and give it a taper of 9.5 millimeter. That is okay. On the front plane, I will draw a circle. This part is actually a wing nut. I will draw a couple of sketches. And give it a dimension of 14 millimeter. And from here to this, from here to this, I'll give it 13.5. I will draw a rectangle of 12 millimeter. And make it coincident with this, and draw a line from here to there. And make it one tangent. I can give it anything. 5 mm is okay. I'll extrude it. Mid plane 4 mm. I will give it a draft. Faces this and this of 2 degree. I will mirror this draft and boss extrude on the right plane and mirror it. On this plane I will draw a circle of 6.8 and extruded cut through all. Chamfer of 1 mm on both sides. I will take thread, metric tape, 8.18 and 1 millimeter pitch is okay. And second one, this. I think everything is okay. Thread is complete. Now it's time for little fillets and chamfers. Three mm or 2 mm. Give it fillet of 1 mm. On all these edges. I think it's okay. Then I will fillet this and this of 1 mm or 0.5 mm. Now our wing nut is complete. All I need is to give it appearance of metal, chrome and chrome plate. Wing nut is complete. Save it. Wing nut. I will draw first. Remove this on the top plane. I will draw a couple of sketches. 16 mm, 8.5 mm, and extrude it up to 1.5 mm. This is a simple washer. Give it appearance of chrome plate. The washer is complete. Let's save it. Washer. Save. Now it's time to make another part. which is the top part. On the front plane, I will draw a couple of sketches and give them dimension 50 mm and 63 millimeter. I will millimeter and 6.5 millimeter. I will tangent to this and make horizontal. This is fully defined. I need some lines to make. Trim it. Sorry, Control Z. I will trim this. This is 16 millimeter. From here to there is 13.9 millimeter. Trim it from here also and remove this and trim it here also. This is our part. I think it's better. Extrude it up to 50 millimeter. Mid plane 50 millimeter. On this face, I will draw center point arc, center point millimeter. Radius is 4.25 mm. An extruded cut through all. On the front plane, I will draw a sketch. Center rectangle. (15 millimeter). Sorry, I will not draw this. I will draw a circle of 15 millimeter. An extruded cut. Offset 10 mm. And through all. Mirror it. On the front plane. I will fillet these two of 3 mm. Our part is almost complete. Just We need to give it some chamfers. I'll remove this. I will make it later. Delete. 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 This is okay. Chamfer is too big. It's 0.5. I will give it chamfer here of same 0.5 and here. Now the part is complete. All we need is to give it a matte. The upper part is complete. Save. Pipe clamp upper part. Save. Now it's time for assembly. I think we need a little chamfer here also. 0.3 is enough. Save. On the front plane, I will draw a couple of sketches, which is 50 millimeter, 40 millimeter, and extrude it up to 200 millimeter. mm. Chamfer 1 mm. Accept that. Put some finish. It's bright chrome finish. The pipe is complete. Let's save it. Pipe. Save it. File, save as. It's not here. Desktop. Pipe clamp. Pipe solid part. Now we are ready to assemble all these things. A lower part. To put it in center of this document, I don't need anything, just click and OK, accept it. Insert another part, which is upper part. But before that, cancel, delete. Yes, but before what I do, I will change this orientation. It's backward. Yes, now it's okay. Enter upper part. Mate concentric. Okay. Okay. Insert another part. Pin. And concentric mate, and then coincident mate. Okay, I will bring another part in here. Threaded pin. Concentric. Okay. Coincident with this face. Okay. Another part washer. This with this. Okay. This face to this face. Okay. Now it's time to put a wing nut. Mate concentric. Okay. This face to this face. Okay. I will drag pin and mate concentric and coincident. Another part, pipe. Coincident mate. So this is our pipe clamp. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something. Thank you and goodbye.